Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing about Pi Network. Kindly like this video and consider subscribing to this channel. With that being said, let's get to the video. Have you ever used Pi to make a purchase? Real-world utility of Pi Network on the rise. The rise of Pi Network as a cryptocurrency isn't just confined to the digital space. It's making tangible strides in real-world transactions. From small everyday purchases to larger acquisitions, pioneers are increasingly using their Pi holdings to buy goods and services, marking an important milestone in the currency's evolution. These transactions are more than just exchanges. They represent a critical step in realizing Pi Network's vision of a decentralized and accessible financial ecosystem. Each time Pi is used as a medium of exchange, it demonstrates its growing potential to be a valuable tool in the real economy. The growing utility of Pi Network. The use of Pi for purchases underscores the network's progress and its practicality in the world of digital finance. Here's why these transactions are significant. 1. Building community confidence. Every successful Pi transaction builds trust within the community. It proves that Pi is not just a theoretical asset, but a functional currency. This, in turn, encourages more pioneers to actively participate in developing the network's ecosystem. 2. Showcasing real-world potential. When Pi is used to buy tangible goods, it transitions from an abstract concept to a proven financial tool. Whether it's buying a coffee, groceries, or even electronics, each transaction illustrates how Pi is slowly but surely becoming a recognized form of payment. 3. Encouraging broader adoption. As more people use Pi, merchants and service providers are likely to see its value and consider accepting it as a payment method. This could pave the way for broader global adoption, further cementing Pi's position in the cryptocurrency landscape. Share your experiences. Have you ever used your Pi to buy something? If so, what did you purchase and how was the experience? These stories matter because they show the world that Pi is more than just a digital asset. Perhaps you've used Pi to pay for a meal at a local restaurant, bought a tech gadget, or even participated in a larger transaction like purchasing a vehicle. Each story contributes to the collective narrative of Pi's success. A collective celebration of progress. The Pi Network community is the heart of its success. By sharing your experiences, you not only inspire others to explore the possibilities of Pi, but also contribute to its growing utility. Each transaction helps demonstrate the currency's value and usability in real-world scenarios. Tell us what you've purchased with Pi and how it felt to use a cryptocurrency for a real transaction. Together, we can show the world that Pi Network is not just an ambitious project. It's a tangible and transformative economic revolution. Looking ahead. As Pi continues its journey towards global acceptance, these milestones are more than achievements. They're stepping stones to a decentralized financial future. Every purchase, no matter how small, represents a significant step towards making Pi a mainstream currency. Pi Network, from concept to reality. Let's keep the momentum going, share your story, and be part of the revolution. Together, we're turning Pi into a symbol of community-driven innovation and financial empowerment. We've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for Latex updates about Pi Network and crypto world. See you in my next video.